kind of work. So for 1 minute only I will demonstrate for you how I make everything.
From all the area of Iraq, Persian and Syria, it was a work of what we call Damascus work from Syria, that you know all these wood things. It's very nice to see this on tabla that they play. They have this one, and in Persian they have the carpet that you know. Okay, it's a lot of handwork from this area.
All what we're making, it's made from copper, but when we finish to make the plates, they're looking like this. It's a mixture eventually of copper and silver together, and each one individual it's lacquered, and we're baking them in the oven, so the color won't change, and it won't tarnish. This is only a demo.
Okay, for you.
And because this is a demo, I will make it a bracelet.
It's very nice to keep an
So, come. I hope you like it. It's a gift.
מדברת עברית גם.
אז זה מתנה.
תודה.